My wife is gonna make some coconut rice, and she put 1 can of coconut milk, and then also 1 can of chicken broth. She measured the chicken broth by putting it in here in this can, and then she put it in here. I'm gonna add 1 cup of rice, a little more, and then she's just gonna wash it. And what kind of rice is it, Maria? Basmati rice. Just gonna add it to the pan. She's using an electric oven, so she's putting it at medium high. Okay, she lowered it to just low temperature. Okay, the coconut rice is almost done. She says that there's something else that she needs to do to it, so we're gonna wait and see what that's going to be. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, then make sure to turn on the bell. We will continue to add amazing dishes.